Yes, so yeah.
Ya tapi biasanya kalau dijadiin bahasa Indonesia jadi aneh tau, tapi ya udahlah. Ya usually translate to Indonesian is gonna sound weird, but okay, let's try.
We just try,
Yeah.
I think. So then it's also good to hear it twice, no? So we like sit comfortably,
Okay.
so in a way which is relaxed, but also we keep the back straight, like this. So straight, which helps us to be alert, but also relaxed.
Oke. Jadi ya kita mulai posisi duduknya dengan posisi yang nyaman, relax dan tegak untuk punggungnya, tapi nggak yang kaku juga. Pokoknya senyamannya kita aja. Yang penting bisa posisinya eh, aware sama sekitar gitu ya. Ya.
And it can help maybe to also keep our neck straight and tuck in our like head a little bit like this to the front, like a little bit like this, not too much like this, but
Oke.
also not like this, just a little bit to keep the everything straight.
Ya leher juga lurus dan dagu agak sedikit ke bawah, nggak terlalu nunduk tapi nggak terlalu nengah ke atas juga. Ya. Oke.
You want to be on there? No. So then, so so now we just like take a few deep breaths and just relax and let go of any tension in the body and the mind with each breath.
Ya, tarik nafas yang panjang. Uh, what do you say?
So just letting go of any tension.
Oh ya, jadi kayak uh, apa let go any tension in Indonesia ya?
Tidak tahu.
Tarik nafas, iya tarik nafas, hembusin dan yang penting nggak ada saraf-saraf yang tegang gitu, ya seperti itu.
So
Oke.
and we can choose. We can keep our eyes open or closed as we wish.
Boleh dibuka matanya atau boleh ditutup, terserah senyamannya kita, seenaknya kita.
Now we're just aware of like sound.
Jadi fokus meditasi kali ini kita akan fokus untuk suara, untuk mendengarkan suara di sekitar kita.
So we're just noticing what we hear. Maybe the sound of the fan or birds.
Iya. Fokus untuk dengerin suara di sekitar kita, mungkin suara kipas angin, suara burung.
So we're just noticing sounds.
Dengerin semua suara yang kita dengar, cukup dengerin aja.
And at the same time, we don't try to prevent any experience from being there. For example, we don't prevent thoughts or images.
Ya, dan berusaha untuk tidak mencegah pikiran ataupun image yang keluar dari suara-suara yang kita dengar.
And we also do not indulge or follow any thoughts or any images when they arise.
Ya, kalau ada pikiran yang keluar karena suara itu, tidak usah diikuti, biarkan aja.
And whenever we notice that we may have been lost in thinking about the future, things we need to do, we want to do, or about the past, things that we thought, oh, we should have done, or others should have done, or not done, or it should have been different, or whatever, we just recognize that we were lost for some moments in thinking, and then we celebrate this waking up, this moment of waking up. We're happy about now being aware of this.
Ya, kapanpun kita hilang fokus dan memikirkan apa yang tidak harus dipikirkan,
So to celebrate the moment.
Yeah.
Oh yes, now I've woken
Yeah.
up. Now I'm remembering again.
ya just dinikmati aja momennya untuk bangun atau sadar kembali ke fokus kita.
So we remain relaxed, and as a support for keeping aware, we listen to sound.
Ya, stay relax, dan untuk tetap memperpusat fokus kita balik lagi ke meditasinya dengan suara ya. Jadi dengerin suara yang ada di sekitar.
Whenever we notice, oh, we've been lost in thinking or imagining, then we recognize this, appreciate that moment, just let go and gently return back to listening to sound.
Ya, kapanpun kita sadar kalau kita udah hilang fokus atau mikirin hal yang lain, dinikmati aja perasaan itu dan disyukuri karena kita sudah bangun atau balik lagi ke sadar dan balik lagi dengerin ke suara.
whatever thoughts or images may arise, it's all okay. Like there's no right and no wrong, and we don't need to change anything. We can just leave everything as it is.
Ya, apapun yang ada di pikiran, yang muncul di kepala, tidak apa-apa, dinikmati aja dan direlakan aja, ya, dibiarkan saja.
And when or if many thoughts arise, and after one thought we think the next thought and the next and so on, or we may be lost for a second or a minute or 5 minutes, that's all okay. And instead of like beating ourselves up and say, oh, the mind should not be so crazy, or I wish it would be different, or I wish it would be more calm. So we don't think like that.
Ya, kapanpun ada pikiran yang muncul dan kalau kita udah hilang fokus, jangan menyalahkan diri sendiri atau jangan mencari-cari alasannya kenapa bisa hilang fokus, tapi biarkan saja, it's all okay.
Yes. So, but instead we just acknowledge it, and we know the mind is like that, and if we just let it be, it will calm down on its own.
Ya, cukup disadari aja dan wajar untuk berpikir hal lain, tapi dibawa relax dan dibawa tenang aja.
Not preventing any experience, not following any experience, and not changing anything.
Ya, tidak usah ditahan, tidak usah dilawan, dan tidak usah diubah.
And whenever we notice that we've been lost in thinking for some moments, we just appreciate this moment, we celebrate it, we be happy about it. Yes, now there's remembering and mindfulness.
Yes. Cukup dinikmati dan dirayakan saja, karena kita sudah kembali sadar atau kembali bangun.
So now we dedicate all of these good qualities to all beings in the universe, near and far, and we wish them happiness.
Sekarang kita dedikasikan semua kualitas bagus yang udah kita lakukan ke seluruh umat makhluk hidup di muka bumi, supaya mereka semua bahagia dan sejahtera.
As we wish all beings near and far, visible to us, invisible to us, happiness, and that they be free of suffering and pain.
Ya, semoga semuanya yang dekat, yang jauh, bahagia dan jauh dari sengsara atau menderita.
Sukses.
Terima
kasih.
It's hard It's hard. I mean, like translating.
Yes, no, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Yes.
Gimana?